Good morning. Today is Friday, June 12th, 2026. I am here at Doctor's Lake Marina, and this is going to be an inspection for See You Later. We've been getting notifications that you're getting vibrations in your running gear, so I'm going to check it out. I'm going to try and spin some of the props, check to see if there's anything caught up in them, or if there's anything else wrong with the shaft. Okay, so there's nothing specifically that I can see. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean up the running gear. I'm going to go ahead and try and tighten down the props and the prop nuts. And then I did bring some zincs because your zincs are looking pretty bad. So we're going to go ahead and put new zincs on there for you.